Okay, so my hose, this is expandable hose. There was a hole in it, and so I mended it with this kit. But you see how it broke out again? I think because I had the water in the knot like this, the pressure forced it to get pulled out. So I'm trying to get the, what's it called? Use my hands. It's easier. So let me just open this. Be careful with this. It is sharp right here. Wait, I actually done this 2 times now. The first time it was because I had the water on full blast and it forced it out. So lefty loosey, righty tighty. Did I do that right? Oh, let me just get that out. This is sharp, so when you handle this, make sure you have like garden gloves on. And I'm just gonna push it through. I want to get the hose out. This is what it looks like. It doesn't look damaged. I think the water pressure just pushed it out. So we're just gonna attach it. Let me do it again, I guess, to show you. Okay, so make sure this is over this. I have a full-length blog article on this because when I was trying to figure this out, I think it was during COVID or something, and I looked up the prices of the parts, and they were actually more expensive to get than if you got the whole kit. And ever since I started using expandable hose, I cannot go back because it's just winding it up. It's too much of a hassle. This one is so much easier, even if I have sometimes to deal with this. Okay, so let me make sure I have enough. So if you are mending the hole, just make sure that you cut past the hole. You put the bottom on top, see, and then you hold this with your thumb and then you pull this over. Oh my gosh. And then now you just hold tight and then twist right. Okay. Okay. And I'm just twist. I'm gonna make sure I get this really in there. I think last time I remember probably not getting in there as much. Let's see. Keep twisting it right. So that's what it looks like. Yeah. And then we're gonna push this up so that the black cloth covers. And then you push this. Is this loosened? Or did I tighten it? Okay, let me just push the cloth. And then we'll see how this goes this summer. I'm going to try to be cautious. I'm also getting a wheelbarrow. So righty tighty, lefty loosey. Make sure you have to wear gloves. I cut my hand before multiple times. When I first did this, please wear a glove. It's a little harder to work with, but your hands, well, thank you. So that I did left to make it loose. And then I'm gonna, let's see, make this over a little. There. And then we're gonna tighten. So righty tighty, lefty loosey. So I'm gonna go right. And be careful. You can cut your hand. And be careful. You don't want to cut your hand. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. And I'm going to do until I really can't do anymore. I'm using a smaller one. Maybe if you have a bigger one, it'll be a little easier. I would use a bigger, ow! See? Oh my god. You see that? If I didn't have the glove, it would be a bloody show. Okay. Okay, now let's test this out. Okay, just turn on the water. Here, let me water my boxwood and... Oh, wait. Hold on, I didn't learn my lesson. I need to untangle this. Yeah. Because if it gets knotted up, I think it increases the water pressure. Turn it off. Let me untangle. I'm going to show you. So this is what we just fixed. It's plump, so the water is on. So I would play around with it and see what water pressure would work. I just do a little bit because I don't need to go too far. And I'm not really using it to pressure wash or anything. So it's on. And here, and here's the broken one. And you see it's not leaking, so it works. Yeah, so instead of buying a new one, check this out. I'll put a link to my blog post with the full article on it. But pretty much you do whatever I just showed you on this other side with the kit and you should be good. This is my spearmint. I let it grow wild. I love the taste and the smell, and when it blooms, the bees love it.